Hello, Shion Costello checking in here on Alloy Day 18. I'm at Experimental Sound Studio in Chicago, and today I'm going to be working with a bunch of stuff I bought at the hardware store. Probably cost about $10, everything together. I've been trying to find these fish hook screws. The same ones that I have from previous setups, but they're not quite the same. There's a few, these are a little thicker, a little bigger. They're called cup screws, I guess. I have it upside down, sorry. Cup screws? I don't know where the label is. Anyway, but they're, for hanging stuff. There's hooks on them. It's a screw, but it has a hook on it too. And they're just really great for piano preparations. It's easy to screw in and out. It's easy to twist, which is just a great feature. I have like about four different sizes of these. I'm gonna try them all to see which ones work. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the exact same ones that I have about 25 of for several years now. But I want to keep using those fish hook type of things, or whatever you want to call it, cup screw. Cup hooks is what this is called. So I love them. They're great, and I'm going to see if I can keep using them, but the size and the thickness will matter and possibly work or not work on piano preparations. I kind of had to eyeball it and see from the store. So we'll see. I'm also going to try out a bunch of different bolts. These are all brass, by the way, because it's a soft metal. It's best for the strings. All these bolts and screws are brass. And I got a whole bunch more of these external tooth washers. They're fantastic for this kind of stuff, for rattly sounds. And then finally, I'm just going to use this little felt pad, just kind of a, something to sort of soften furniture, pad furniture, but I'm going to just use it in the piano. It's commonly used for, muting strings and stuff like that. I'm just going to mess with that a little bit, play with this thing and cut it up probably, see what's possible there. So this will be an interesting day, a lot of just free exploration with various objects, which is kind of the whole ethos of the project in the first place. So going back to roots here and just playing with stuff. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here's a documentation of some experiments with bolts. These are the 10s, so they're on the lowest string. The next octave up on a 832 size. But it's snug and it works there. Here's B5. That fits perfect. Here's the next size 8. These are all size 8 here. And here's the last octave. Okay, the comparison here with screws, fish hook screws, is 1 inch here and then 1 1/4 inch for these. Starting with the larger of the two fish hook screws, 1 1/4 inch, 3.2 centimeters. You can have a versatility to this. So these are screwed very lightly right now. Just kind of screw it in more, and it really widens the strings a little bit more there, and that's going to create something really different. So that's loose, and then this is tight. Okay, here we are with the 1-inch fish hook screw. For me, they move around too much.